Hi, today we're gonna watch and see how we can bond our temporary crown back in, or if you lost the filling, how you can fix it without going and see your dentist immediately so you're not in pain. Make sure to watch the whole thing, like the video, comment below, and subscribe. Thank you. To temporarily fix your lost filling or loose crown, you need to go to Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, or Target. Once you go there, make sure to look for toothpaste aisle. Alright, today I want to show you how to bond a crown that came off on your tooth. So you need to get one of these from over the counter that's lost filling or cap repair. It comes in a little tube and a little scooper out. So you get that scoop out a little piece of it out. It comes with a big chunk of stuff. You don't need all of that. Just grab a little bitty piece and just flatten it. By flattening it, you make a thin layer, and then you can apply it to the sides of your crown instead of just bulking it in the middle. So do not bulk it in the middle. Make sure you put it on the sides. You can use this end of that to kind of pack it to the sides instead of, again, bulking it in the middle. You do not want to bulk it in the middle because then you will have a hard time seating this. With temporaries, you cannot put a lot of force and you will break it. Then you will put it on the tooth and you just push it down. And by pushing it down, you can get it all where you need it. And you'll have some little excess coming on the sides. You just brush it off with a toothbrush easily and it will come off. But by doing that, you can bond your temporary back on your tooth. So if you lost your entire temporary crown and say it's not in one piece that you can bond it back in, or if part of your filling came out, you can actually grab a little piece of this with your scooper that comes with it. Just scoop a little piece out and then make it into a ball like that. And then when you make it into a ball, you just lay it on top of the tooth or the filling that's missing, and you just mold it on around the tooth. You're trying to cover the entire tooth, and then you go tap, 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 bite down on your teeth. This way you know this is not too high, so your teeth are not hitting it heavy. And by doing that, you protect the center part of your tooth so it's not sensitive until your dentist can get you in. Thank you for watching.